when things increase or decrease by the same rate or the same percentage, time after time after time, we call it compound increase, or decrease if it's going down. For example, in bank accounts, you often get the same interest rate year after year after year. And so your money will increase by the same percentage every year. It's what we call compound interest. And to work with a compound interest, what we do is we take the original amount. So the original amount, and we multiply it by whatever our multiplying factor is. And if you look at our previous video on increasing or decreasing amounts, you'll see multiplying factor. But not just a multiplying factor, that's to the power of the number of times that this is happening. So for example, if it was getting an interest rate year after year after year, then the number of times would be how many years that this is going on for. Or if it was a weekly thing, then how many weeks that this goes on for. And the multiplying factor then is what we're multiplying by, to increase by a percentage or to decrease by a percentage. You can do it year after year after year, but if you have 5 or 6 years or 5 or 6 times that you're doing this, it's much quicker just to put in this wee formula and use that. So for example, I put £400 in a bank account that gives me 3% interest PA. This PA per annum means per year, each year. Okay, so how much money will be in my account after 4 years? Well, the original amount is £400, and we're multiplying that by, well, what's the multiplying factor? Well, it's increasing by 3% each year. So that's giving me an extra 103%. So the multiplying factor is 1.03. And we're doing that for 4 years. So that's to the power of 4. And we can put that then straight into our calculator just like that. And when we do that, we get 450.203524. Now, because we're talking money here, I'm going to put it to 2 decimal places. So it's £450 and 20 pence. But things can go down, they can decrease compoundly as well. So the value of my car depreciates. It goes down by 18% every year. If I bought a new car for £12,000, how much will it be worth after 5 years? Well, again, what's our original amount? It's 12,000. What's our multiplying factor now? Just need to be a little bit careful here. If it's going down by 18%, so if I start with 100% and go down by 18%, I have 82%. And as a decimal, 82% is 0.82. That's our multiplying factor. And we're not doing this just for 1 year, we're doing this for 5 years, so it's to the power of 5. And again, we can put that straight into our calculator, just like that. And again, £4,448, and again, I'm going to put 2 decimal places, but that's us, £4,448.89. So each time we do this, the compound interest, we start with the original amount, we multiply it by the multiplying factor raised to the power of the number of years or the number of weeks or number of days that these things are going on for.